Welcome to the very first episode of Small Firm, Big Impact Express, your regular dose of essential accounting updates for smaller firms across Australia and New Zealand. I'm today's host, Jill Muir, bringing you a special episode on Australia's new AML CTF reforms. In just 5 minutes, you'll get the critical insights you need to find out what happened, why it matters, and what to do next. Let's get into it. So what happened? Big news for Australian accountants. Tranche 2 AML CTF reforms kick in from 1 July 2026. This means accounting firms that provide designated services will need to enrol with AUSTRAC after the 31st of March and be ready to go by the 1st of July 2026. What are the new designated services? For accountants, they include opening a company or trust, using your address as a company's principal place of business, and managing clients' funds. The challenge? Ensuring your AML CTF program is effective, proportionate, and mitigates the risks to your firm. And why does this matter? Well, AUSTRAC estimates organised crime costs Australia $68 billion a year. Criminal networks are sophisticated, using shell companies and complex transactions to hide their dirty money. Strong AML CTF practices protect your clients, your firm, and the integrity of Australia's financial system. They provide data for the regulator to connect these people and their events and uncover criminal activity. Bottom line, these reforms aren't just red tape. They're about making it harder for criminals to profit from their crimes. So, start preparing now. Complete our micro course. Lean on AUSTRAC's resources, such as their starter kit for accountants, and make your AML CTF program part of your everyday practice. So what can you do next? Well, here's the good news. It's not retrospective. You do not need to do anything for existing clients until their circumstances change or they seek a new service that's designated after the 30th of June 2026. What you can do is complete a risk assessment of your practice using the starter kit provided by AUSTRAC. Appoint your compliance officer and provide them the necessary training. Then enrol as soon as you can when it opens after the 31st of March 2026. Then uplift your client due diligence processes and forms and make sure you include a risk rating if they're a politically exposed person, and also make sure you keep your AML CTF records for 7 years. Well, that wraps up this episode of Small Firm, Big Impact Express. If you found this update valuable, please share it with your colleagues and subscribe so you never miss an update. Do you have a question or a topic suggestion? Leave a comment and don't forget to visit our Smaller Practices Hub for more great tools, resources and insights from leaders in the profession. The link is in the description. Until next time, this is your host for today, Jill Muir, thanking you for tuning in.